Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Watch the road now, MJ.
I saw it from over there.
Oh, I see one, I see one. I see one. Come on. Oh, that's a big one. Whoa.
They could be better.
Yeah, they could. They could. At least it's fireworks. At least there's. I don't know.
I'm lighting two again.
Oh, that's way better. Can anyone see now? Does this help everyone see?
That's it with JJ.
Can everyone see?
Shut up, MJ. Turn off the light. Turn off the light, MJ.
Come on, come on, come on. Another one. Oh, there's some over there.
Where?
Over there, where that red light is. They're lighting some over there.
No, there's fireworks going all over.
Is there fireworks across Ireland right now? What? Oh, there's more! Oh, this is a perfect vid. This is a perfect video.
Yeah, this is so cool. Imagine one landed in the water, and the water went on fire. That would be cool.
You can't put water on fire.
That would be cool. Though.
That's only oil-conducted fire.
Jalen, get back here now.
Jalen.
Woo!
Jalen, on the stairs.
Yeah, cool.
Can I?
That could happen.
Sit down. Jalen, sit down.
The light into
Sit down now. Or Maya and PJ and Dion are going home. Sit down on
the light in.
Oh, oh. Why are they lighting these in Halloween? Oh man, that was depressing. Oh my god! Oh!
No, that was the last one.
Oh my god!
Was that a good one?
That was a big one! Oh my god, there's smoke! There's smoke!
Wasn't it? No, okay, mine's so.
No. We just got here.
I think they're finished. Look, everyone's going. Come on. They can't watch nothing.
When Dry Monkey comes down,
Oh, it's done. That's finished.
Hey, everybody hold hands. Maya, where's your brother? Where's that PJ? PJ, do not cross that road there.
That was amazing.
Where's my tree? Here,
Jalen, do you want to hold JJ's hand?
no. Hold adult's hand. Nice hold him Jason's hand. Dion, watch where you're going.
Oh, there's more! There's more!
We're not following the fireworks from there.
Come on, keep the camera on it, keep the camera on it.
you're filming that.
What? Just in case there's more filming. Come on, more. Oh, I just saw the depressing one.
MJ, watch the road there with the phone, love.
And it was real.
Is it real?
Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna add all the photos I got as well in CapCut.
That was cool. Wasn't
Yeah, I know it was cool.
it? That last one was so cool, wasn't it?
I know, it was freaking ginormous.
That was like the biggest one we saw the whole entire time there.
No.
How?
Remember last year out on the bridge in wherever?
Oh yeah, that was big.
No, wait, no, that was 4 years ago. That was amazing, not gonna lie. What's that smell?
I think it's a firework.
Yeah,
You
sometimes.
have a torch on. Oh, you do.
Huh?
You have a torch on.
What?
You have a torch on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna make sure I can see.
No, one time me and my mom saw a badger at night.
Oh yeah, one time we ran over a badger's skull. Because
Badger and skunk.
no, just a badger's skull.
Badger with skunk.
No, a badger's head. What's inside a badger's head? A skull.
And brains.
Yeah,
And brains.
and more. Ugh.
Everybody's got brains. Wait.
Oh, I can smell the smoke.
Stop. Stop.
Hello, Chucky.
No, there's paint on my face in the costume. What are you talking about?
Why do they have to do this?
That is smoking too.
She's running in fucking here.
Leaves. This was a great Halloween.
No.
Hello, Jaden.
Don't take them off. Though.
Chucky. Hello, Chucky.
Come on, JJ. Because if you run and fall, I'm not going to the hospital. I'm not going to the hospital.
No, you have to.
I won't, JJ. You can go on an ambulance.
I have asthma. Oh shit.
Here we are. Right, are you going to say bye?
Yeah, I have asthma. There's smoke everywhere.
Come on. So Jai's the Halloween kid.
That's freaking bad luck, I swear.
Happy Halloween.
When it's done, Jai, where you are? Bye.
That was crazy.
I love you.
It was amazing.
I love you.
I loved it.